entropy of the soul. Arjuna stops arguing about the war and starts arguing about the aftermath. He realizes that when you kill the elders, you kill the library of the family. Without that library, the next generation doesn't just lose its history, it loses its moral compass. Kulakshaye pranashyanti. Kula-dharma, sanatana, dharminashte, kulam kritsnam dharmo bhibhavatyut, adharma bhibhavat Krishna, pradushyanti kulastriya, strishu dushtasu, vashneya jayate Varna-sankara. When a dynasty is destroyed, its traditions get vanquished, and the rest of the family becomes involved in irreligion. With the preponderance of vice, O Krishna, the women of the family become immoral. And from the immorality of women, O descendant of Vrishni, unwanted progeny are born. Arjuna is describing a domino effect that ends in a dark age. He fears that by winning this throne, he's creating a world of unwanted children, a generation born into chaos, without roots, without values, and without a why. But it leaves us with a cold realization. Arjuna is choosing to protect the past, even if it means sacrificing the future's justice. It makes you wonder, is it better to fight for what is right, even if it burns the world down? Or is a broken, corrupt tradition still better than a total collapse into the unknown? What are you willing to sacrifice to keep your roots intact?